Hi everyone, my name is Bani and I'm a model based out in Washington, D.C. And I just wanted to say that Katya and Kim from Model Secrets are literally the best support system you could possibly have as a model. And that if you're thinking about modeling, definitely go check them out on all their social media. The stuff that they post on their account is really informational and really helpful, and it's just really a great resource to have as a model. And I would also consider doing their workshops. I've done 2 of them, and they're really intricate and they're really detailed and they're really curated for what you want to learn as a model, which is really great. And Katya and Kim, they're both really kind people. They're ready to answer your questions with a big smile on their face. So if you're thinking about modeling with Katya and Kim, I promise you're in good hands.